In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply the same transition to all clips in CapCut on PC. If you've ever edited a video and added transitions one by one, you know how time-consuming that can be. The good news is, CapCut on desktop gives you a quick way to keep your transitions consistent across your entire project. And that's exactly what we'll walk through together. Start by opening CapCut on your computer and loading the project you want to edit. Make sure all your clips are already on the timeline in the order you want them. Because transitions are placed between clips, if you plan to cut or rearrange later, it's usually best to get your basic sequence set first so you don't have to redo transitions. Next, take a look at the timeline. Between each pair of clips, you'll see a small icon or gap where transitions can be added. Instead of clicking each space individually, we're going to select a transition once and then apply it across the board. First, click on any one of those transition areas between two clips. This will open the transition panel, usually appearing above the timeline or on the side, depending on your layout. In the transition panel, you'll see different categories like basic fades, zooms, slides, and more stylized effects. Take a moment to preview a few by hovering over them or clicking them. CapCut will show you a short preview so you can see how it will look between your clips. Choose a transition that matches the style and pacing of your video. For example, a simple crossfade works well for vlogs or talking head videos, while more dynamic transitions might fit gaming or travel edits. Once you've chosen your transition, adjust its duration if needed. You can usually do this by dragging the edge of the transition on the timeline or by typing a value in the settings panel. A shorter duration gives a quick, snappy feel, while a longer one creates a smoother, more gradual change. Now comes the important part. Applying this same transition to all clips. Look in the transition settings for an option that says something like Apply to All or Apply to All Clips. Click that, and CapCut will automatically add the selected transition with the same duration between every clip on your timeline. Finally, play back a portion of your video to make sure everything flows the way you want. If it feels too fast or too slow, simply adjust the duration on one transition and reapply it to all. When you're happy with the look, you're ready to move on to fine-tuning your edit or exporting your video.